Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. First of all, before we get started, let me tell you that I'm like super happy since the past 2 to 3 days because are you guys looking at the subscriber number on our channel? Tech Review HD Gang is going to soon hit 600k guys. We're gonna be 600k fam in like 1 or 2 days. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and also turn the notifications bell icon on guys. Now coming back to the main topic, well, I have something new to show you all. Just wait a second, I'll bring that product. Oh, this is what we'll be checking out in this video guys. It's a brand new 5.1 soundbar from Zebronics and the model is 9400 Pro Dolby 5.1. So this is like a soundbar that comes with a subwoofer and comes with a very affordable price tag. The main thing is this soundbar supports Dolby Digital Plus guys, so you're going to experience some really good quality sound which I'll be showing in this video. And not only that guys, good part about it is it's like a true 5.1 soundbar. That means you're not only going to get that soundbar and subwoofer, you will also be getting two satellite surround speakers as well in the package. So you'll be getting complete 5.1 true 5.1 experience, and along with that it also has a multiple connectivity options like it's got Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI ARC, optical in, aux in and all that stuff. Alright then, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Alright guys, so here is a new 5.1 soundbar with subwoofer from Zebronics. It came in this sort of box packaging, has the Zebronics branding on the front, and the model we'll be reviewing today is Bar 9400 Pro Dolby 5.1. This thing supports Dolby Digital Plus guys, so I'm like pretty excited to check out the sound quality. Let me quickly tell you the specs of this product. It's a Bluetooth 5.0 soundbar, has HDMI ARC support, USB port, aux in, optical in as well, and comes with a dedicated subwoofer in the box. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal over here. There we go. Let's open it and see what do we have on the inside. The outer box slides out like this, and on the inside we've got the soundbar and the subwoofer placed on top of it. Let me quickly remove the packaging and show you the product, starting first with the soundbar. Oh, we've got some accessories also here which I'll show you in a moment. So here it is guys, the Bar 9400 soundbar from Zebronics. It looks pretty similar to the previous Bar 9000 Pro which I reviewed a couple of months ago, but with slight design changes. You've got the new Dolby Digital Plus logo on the front, looks very cool, and I love this sleek black finishing. So that was our first look at the soundbar. And by the way, remember I told you that this is a true 5.1 system, so not only the soundbar, you also get two surround satellite speakers in the package. So that will produce like a true 5.1 surround sound experience. These are the satellite speakers I was talking about. You have a similar glossy black finishing with a metal grille on the front side. Let me give you all a closer look. Very nice build quality. The body is made of polycarbonate material. And here's the second one, so you get a total of two of them in the package. Talking about the accessories, there's a user manual in the package, remote control, a pair of AAA batteries for the remote, wall mounting hardware, and a 3.5mm to RCA cable. Well, that's it. Now let's check out the subwoofer as well. Here we go. The Bar 9400 subwoofer. Damn guys, that is one heavy subwoofer. It easily weighs around like 5.1 kgs and the build quality is solid. There's a Zebronics logo on the front, has a big 6.5-inch subwoofer speaker, a control panel at the top, and also has a bass reflex port just below the driver unit. You've got some media control buttons as you can see over here, and on the front side there's a status LED display and also USB ports you can directly connect your pen drives. So as mentioned before guys, the build quality is solid. It's entirely made of wood except the front panel. Going to the back side, you got all the connectivity ports and the mains card. So that was our unboxing part. Now let me give you all a closer look and talk about all the features and specs of this system. The Bar 9400 Pro is a 5.1 Bluetooth soundbar with subwoofer setup that can produce a max RMS output of up to 525 watts. And the best part is, it's Dolby Digital Plus certified. The soundbar has 3 drivers in it, each of 2.5 inches in size, and the soundbar alone can produce around 225 watts of output. The frequency response range of this setup is from 45 Hz to 20 kHz. Talking about the surround satellite speakers, each of them has one 2.5-inch driver unit and produce around 75 watts of output per speaker. And lastly, coming to the subwoofer, it's a powerful subwoofer that has a 6.5-inch driver unit and can produce 150 watts of RMS output. So the whole 5.1 setup has a total RMS output of around 525 watts. That is crazy, right? So setting up this 5.1 system is very simple. All you need to do is connect all the cables from the soundbar and the rear satellite speakers to the subwoofer's back at the respective ports, and then connect the subwoofer to your TV either via aux input, optical in, or HDMI ARC as per your convenience. But I would advise you to connect via HDMI ARC to your compatible TV because that is the only way you'll be able to experience Dolby Digital Plus audio. So keep that in mind. What I'll do is I'll quickly connect this audio system to my TV and be right back to continue the video. Okay guys, so I'm back to continue the video. As you can see, I've already placed the Juke Bar 9400 over here and connected it with my TV as well. I placed a soundbar over here on my TV stand while the subwoofer is placed to left corner of the TV, and the surround speaker are also placed at the backside behind the camera guys, so you'll get to experience full 5.1 effect in the video. And not only that guys, one more tip I'd like to give you is whenever you're placing subwoofer in your living room or anywhere, try to put the subwoofer in the corner guys, because that gives a very nice bass effect whenever you're watching movies or any content on the TV. So you try to experiment with either left or right corner, whichever you feel better sound. Try to place it over there. I am placing it over here, and the surround speakers, as I've mentioned, are just behind the camera. Alright, then what I'll do is I'll quickly power on the sound bar and we'll play some content and check out how the audio quality on it is. Okay, so you've listened to the audio quality, right? So let me share you my experience using it. The sound quality was really good for the price what you're paying. I've played a variety of content on this 5.1 system, like movies from Netflix, music, even YouTube videos, and was quite satisfied with the result. The mids were crisp and clear with great vocal clarity, the high frequency response was also good, and talking about the bass, wow, it was producing deep and punchy bass. You guys saw the gameplay, right? Sounds like blastings, gunfirings in either movies or games felt quite realistic and had a good impact. See, since we had surround speakers also, we are getting a true 5.1 experience. And the best part is, this system also supports Dolby Digital Plus. And let me tell you, the sound experience was awesome. It was offering theater-like experience at home. And the THD was also very minimum thanks to the Dolby ICs used inside. It had very minimum noise levels and the audio output was also pretty loud. Well, that's it for today. That was my video on this Zebronics new Juke Bar 9400 Pro Dolby. It's a very good 5.1 Dolby soundbar. The build quality is good, offers multi-connectivity options, produces great sound with 525 watts of RMS output, and supports Dolby Digital Plus. But one thing you'll have to keep in mind is, for Dolby Digital Plus to work, you'll have to connect the soundbar via HDMI ARC to your compatible TV, and also use a high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable. Then only you'll get to experience true Dolby audio. The only thing I felt is the brand was not including any free optical or HDMI cable in the box, so you'll have to buy them separately. And also, the glossy finish on the speakers was easily attracting scratches and smudges within a few days, so you'll have to be a bit careful about that. Well, that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.